This is a newly modernized or replaced, I don't know which, elevator at the Marshall Student Center at USF in Tampa, Florida. Four, let's go down to one. Someone call it, I'm pretty sure. So let's just get a quick cab view. They're still working on the other elevator, as you can see at the beginning of the video. And we're stopping at 3, so let's just get off. This is perfect because you can see the original elevator right here. Says out of service. And then you can walk this way and find the service. The service elevator still looks like it's original. I think it is eventually going to be replaced, but they're probably doing that later. It is pretty busy though, so we're not going to riot. Here's the other elevator. So it looks like they just started working on it. Here's a look at the atrium in the Marshall Student Center. You got to see all 4 elevators in the building. I believe this building was constructed in 2008. So honestly, it's only been 18 years. But I have read articles about the motors on these elevators getting really hot, and that's the main reason why these are getting modernized / replaced. So I'll cut the one we get this elevator. You can see a map right here. The one we just saw was the SLT, or Student Living Tower? Actually, I'm not sure. That elevator. And then we're here. The service is somewhere over here, I believe. Student Life Tower. That's what that is over there. Here's another look at that map on the first floor. That'll be it.